Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. MRF National Supercross set to provide high voltage thrilling entertainment at Kampal. Bollywood stars Sanjay Dutt and Chunky Pandey amongst the invitees. Babush Vishwajit to join Congress. Babush leaves for Delhi to finalize joining. Subhash Shirodkar tells Prudent that Vishwajit will follow soon. Both prime accused in Tanuja murder case acquitted. Pre-monsoon showers hit Goa. Stormy winds, thunders and uprooted trees disrupt normal life. Health Department gears up to counter vector-borne diseases, undertakes vaccination programs. Felix D'Souza named Goa captain for Santosh Trophy football. Goa opened campaign against Jharkhand on May 25th. And Panjim Table Tennis Club's coaching camp concludes. Government urged to enforce sports policy as soon as possible. Now the news in detail. The MRF National Supercross Championship 2009 will be flagged off at Parade Ground at Kampal on Sunday morning at 10 am. Top riders from TVS Racing Team and Honda will scorch the track laid by the experts in motocross. Moreover, Bollywood stars like Sanjay Dutt and Chunky Pandey are expected to be in attendance for the thrilling event.
The round 1 of the MRF National Supercross Championship comes to Goa through the joint organization by Sports Track from Pune and Autosports Association of Goa under the aegis of Federation of Motorsports Club of India. The details of the event were revealed at a well-attended press conference on Friday evening. Along with top riders from the country in the foreign motorcycle class, the Goan crowd will also see local boys Alan Sequeira, Mohammad Kadir and others fighting for the local class title. The General Manager Advertising of MRF, Tony Rodriguez, emphasized that MRF has not reduced support to motorsports despite the economic slowdown.
We have not, despite the slowdown, stopped our activities or reduced our activities in motorsports. We are into the Asia Pacific Rally Championship, where we have entered 2 cars. The Asia Pacific Rally Championship is run in Australia, New Zealand, New Caledonia, Japan, Indonesia, Malaysia and China. We have a 2-car team, 1 driver from Japan and the other from Delhi, Gaurav Gill.
President of Sports Track Sham Kothari and ASAG Chairman Bhushan Kadam shed light on various aspects of the event.
Is the foreign open class, which is only for foreign motorcycles, that is the Group A category. It's up to 500 cc. Then the class 2 is novice for only newcomers. Novice is only newcomers who are participating for the first time. The third is the Indian experts, which is a Group B. When we say Group B, we say that it's a modified Indian motorcycle with fully blown suspensions and disc brakes and everything. Then the 4th class is the locals class. It's only meant for local participants, for Goa participants.
Autosports Association of Goa already appointed Mr. Chunky Pandey as their brand ambassador. Tomorrow the flag of this event will be either by the hand of Mr. Sanjay Dutt or Mrs. Manata Dutt.
Our video journalist from Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
Babush Montserrat and Vishwajit Rane are all set to join Congress. Babush has already left for Delhi to finalize his joining with Congress High Command. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar has confirmed that Vishwajit will follow him soon.
Congress winning Lok Sabha election has changed the political calculation in state of Goa. State Congress President Subhash Shirodkar has said that both Health Minister Vishwajit Rane and Education Minister Babush Montserrat has expressed willingness to join Congress and both will be shortly in Congress party. Speaking to Prudent Media from Delhi on telephone, State Congress President Subhash Shirodkar said that they welcome Education Minister Babush Montserrat and Health Minister Vishwajit Rane in Congress.
Tomorrow announcement will come that Babush will join Congress tomorrow.
That exactly I don't know whether it's going to be tomorrow or after tomorrow, but that every possibility is going to join Congress party. And we will come in.
Oh, Vishwajit Rane is also joining Congress.
Yeah. He had also talked to Madam, and he had also promised that he will also join Congress party. In that stage.
Yeah, and Babush has also been joining.
He is out of station.
Oh, yeah.
If he is out of station, let him come down and then we will discuss and decide about, okay?
Okay, so Babush is also joining Congress.
Pardon?
Babush is also joining Congress.
Yeah, that is what he has said, no?
Yeah. So tomorrow the crucial meeting will be held in Delhi.
He is coming to Delhi tomorrow. Let him meet Madam and other emissaries in Delhi.
Okay.
And then they let them take a decision, okay?
Babush and Vishwajit joining Congress
I
party.
got Mr. Babush, Mr. Vishwajit and what many other people in Congress party.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Speaking to Prudent Media few hours before he left for Delhi to meet Congress President Sonia Gandhi, Education Minister Babush Monserrat said if everything goes well, he may join Congress in next couple of days.
True that you are joining Congress?
See, I have not yet decided. I will I'll take a decision in a day or two.
So is there any Congress person has approached you for joining Congress?
There is no question of approach and all. There is always discussions are always going on and all. And basically, I was in a Congress earlier. So let us see. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
So you are going to meet Sonia Gandhi in Delhi, if something like that?
No, I am supposed to. I have a trip to Delhi. I will be leaving today, in fact, to Delhi. I may be meeting some people, not specific certain people, but I will be meeting people.
So when do we expect you join Congress back?
Now let us see. Let me go to Delhi and come. Then we will see. I will let you know. You will be the first one. I will let you know.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar for Prudent Media.
Fast-track court judge Praveen Kamath on Friday acquitted prime accused Rajnish alias Raju Singh and Ram Avatar Singh in infamous Tanuja Naik murder case. Tanuja was shot dead on 15 July 2002 at Madkai.
Fast-track court today, Judge Praveen Kamath passed an order in Tanuja murder case, thereby acquitting both the accused person. That is, one Mr. Rajnish Singh and another is Ram Singh Avatar.
So what is the grounds which court?
I did not receive any order. I applied for the certified copy.
Both accused were arrested on 7th August 2006 after Ponda police came under severe criticism by the villagers of Madkai that they are working under political pressure and not arresting culprit in Tanuja Naik murder case. Both Singhs were running Panpatti kiosk at Betim near Malim fishing jetty. Police arrested Raju Singh for interrogating in the theft case that took place at Madkai Industrial Estate. During interrogation, Raju refused to admit the theft but revealed that he had committed the murder of Tanuja Naik.
This is the totally false, baseless and concocted case filed by the police against both the accused person. In fact, in reality, accused number 1 was arrested by the police in one Honda theft case. Absolutely there was no evidence. And they say that this accused number 1 confessed, saying that he alleged to have committed an offense in Tanuja murder case. So, my point is, this accused number 1 was arrested in Honda case only in order to connect in Tanuja murder case.